So hello and welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Saujanya Sane. So guys, recently I visited South Goa, and in South Goa I was there for a span of 3 days. In these 3 days I covered various destinations, okay? And one of the destinations in my South Goa trip was the very famous and very beautiful beach by the name called as the Butterfly Beach. Now, before we go to the main topic of this particular video, which is how is that you are going to reach to the Butterfly Beach via trekking route or via road, uh, I want to show a few of the clips which I have recorded at this particular place, that is the Butterfly Beach, which will give you guys an idea why this place is so beautiful and so famous. So have a look. Now, to reach the Butterfly Beach, there are two ways. Okay, first is that you can take a boat ride from Palolem Beach, and second is that you can go via road and do a small trek to reach the Butterfly Beach. Now, in this video, I am going to share with you guys the exact route which you have to take, or how is that you can reach Butterfly Beach by doing this trek, and I am going to share it in a very detailed manner. But before we go to our main video, just make sure that you hit the subscribe button, because I upload informative and interesting travel videos on a regular basis. So now let's begin with our main video. The first thing which I want to tell you guys is that why is that you should choose the trekking route and not the boat route from Palolem Beach. Now, if you are coming from Palolem Beach, you have to take a boat ride, and there is a rule over here which says that you have to stay on the beach for only 1 hour. After that, you have to compulsorily return by the boat. Now, if this is not an issue, then I don't think so you can come by boat as well as the trekking route. But considering the beauty of this particular place, I would say that spending 1 hour over here, especially if you're going for the first time over there, then it is a little bit unjustified. Plus, if you are going by the trek route, it is more adventurous. Now I know even going by the boat ride, it has its own advantages, but I would recommend that since time is a big factor over here, since you get unlimited time if you are going by the trek route, you should always choose to trek, especially if you are going for the first time. Now, this trekking route is a combination of a good road, off-road, and plus a small trekking trail. We started our journey from Madgaon. Now, wherever you are not an issue, you can simply do one thing. Just put in your Google Maps either Butterfly Beach or Butterfly Cafe as the location. You will reach till one point where you will get to see a huge board by the name called as Leopard Valley. Now you can see this board on your screen right now. Till here the road condition is extremely good. Now what you have to do next is that you have to go inside, okay, as you can see on your screen right now. Now after this particular point, the entire off-roading begins, okay, or the adventure, the real adventure begins now. Now once the off-roading begins, the first landmark where you can take a halt is the Butterfly Cafe. Now if you want, you can also do a breakfast or a lunch over here. Even we did the same, but the difference was that we first went to the beach, and while returning we had lunch over here. They serve extremely good quality of food at a very reasonable price. Now what you can do is that you can park your vehicles over here, especially if you are having four-wheelers, and you can take a long trekking route to reach to the Butterfly Beach. But I would recommend that you can also go ahead on your vehicles, especially if you are having two-wheelers. I think it might not be possible on four-wheelers to continue ahead after this particular point. But if you are having two-wheelers, you can definitely continue ahead. The road ahead is little bit difficult, means it is more off-roading, more difficult off-roading, but not impossible. So if you want to cut short your trekking route or your walking distance, then you can definitely continue ahead on this particular road, especially if you are having two-wheelers, and you can reduce your walking distance. So what we did is that we continued ahead from the Butterfly Cafe, and after some time, okay, we took a halt, that is we parked our vehicles over there and we started the trekking route. Now this trekking route is approximately like for the from the place where we parked our vehicles, from there it was around 20 to 30 minutes. Though as I said, you can still continue ahead, especially if you want to reduce your walking distance, you can definitely continue ahead. And if I'm not wrong, you can go to certain point, okay, where the beach is only around 10 to 5 minutes of walking. Now this walking route or this trekking route can be little bit confusing, so just make sure that your Google Maps are still on. I know at times Google Maps can be confusing, but over here it was totally ulta, it was opposite. Google Map was very helpful for us, especially at few points where there are there are two or three routes which are going. So just make sure that the Google Maps are on, it will be of a great help. So once the trekking trail is over, you'll finally enter this beautiful beach. Now once you're entering this beach, just make sure that you go on the either side of beach which has certain rocks, okay. Do climb on these rocks because they give some stunning views, as you can see in these videos. So guys, that's it from me in this particular video. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys, especially if you are planning to visit this beautiful beach called as the Butterfly Beach. If it was helpful, do let me know in the comment section below. And you know what else you have to do, just like this video guys, and also share this video amongst your family as well as your friends, those who are planning to visit this beautiful beach. And I'm sure that we'll be meeting in the next video as well. So until the next video, bye bye.